All right, hi class. This is 1.3.8. How far away is something? So basically they're going to give us two longitudes and latitudes, and we need to figure out the distance between the two. Okay, that's all that's really happening. Let's squish this over. So we have a latitude and a secondary latitude, and then we have a longitude and a primary, and then they want to know how far in miles that is. Okay, so let's take a look at the code over here first. There it is. So this is the program that they wrote and they're sharing with us. And it's got some methods in here. So we've got the radius of the Earth. We've got just a couple of variables, latitude and longitude. And then we've got this method for geolocation, where we've got latitude equaling the latitude. Okay, so then we've got a getter of the latitude, and then we've got a returning the longitude, and we've got two strings. So we're putting this into some words. We're taking the latitude and putting it in as a string. Then here is the formula. Okay, and this is not something we have to write. This is just this was given to us, and this is the formula. If you ever wanted to write a program on how to figure this out, this is how you would do that. So they've got double numbers because we've got some decimals going on here. We are changing them to radians, and then of course we've got the cosine equation here. Okay, we don't have to worry about this. We just know that this class that has all these methods is going to help us figure out the answer. Okay, so all we really need to do is program and ask the computer, hey, figure this out, would ya? So we want to ask a user for 4 different numbers. So we want to, hopefully you remember, you want to do, here I'll do one for us, double lat1 is equal to redouble, because remember I am working with decimal numbers right now, and I want to enter the latitude, I'm going to put starting latitude. Starting latitude. Okay. And let me go ahead and pause while I get the others. Okay. So here you see that I am asking the user to enter a starting latitude and a starting longitude, and then I'm asking the user to give me the ending latitude and the ending longitude. The next thing that I want to do is create a couple of objects. And I am going to name them geolocations because that's the class that I'm working with. Geolocation. Let's first location, and we're going to have that and then we've got lat 1 and long 1. Alright, let me get the second object. As you can see, I just copied that. I just need to change that to second, and then this to lat 2 and long 2. Alright, so now we have our 2 objects, and then now we need to send these objects to the formula. Okay, and of course these will be as decimals. Distance from second location. Alright, here we go. And I got that basically from one of the methods here. Okay, so remember this was all that stuff. This was the getters. This was turning the thing into string. Here. Distance from. Remember we looked at this, we said this was the math. This was the math. So we needed this thing. Okay. So this is the other location. So this is the first location, then this is the other, and then it runs it through its formula and gets us a number. So this is what I've done here, okay? And then the very last part would be to do my system data print line. I am missing, I think I'm missing a, that's what I did. I did wrong. Okay. Okay. I was gonna say that looked weird. There we are. And it looks like all of, alright, my tabs were off too. Alright, there we go. Now that's starting to look good. And then the last one is where I'm printing this stuff. That's it. Alright, let's try running that and see if we have any errors. Okay, hang on. Cannot find symbol double distance for location per second. Okay, let me, oh, right there. Simple. That one was simple. Okay. Starting latitude. Let's put, what did they want me to put? Let's put this one, this 48.85. Let me write those down and then I'll have them. Hang on a second. Okay, I didn't leave any space for the starting latitude, so when I type here, it's just going to be like really close. I can go back and fix that in just a second. 8567. Longitude is 2.3508. And then my ending latitude is 51.5072. And ending longitude is 0.1275. Okay, and the distance is 208 miles and da 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 da. So let's get some space here. Let's put a little semicolon or a little colon right there and some space. Oops. There. That's going to look better the next time I run it. There'll actually be some space in between those. But let's check our code. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong? Oh, I'm missing a period right there. This thing's ridiculously finicky. For Pete's sakes. Okay, so yeah, it's good. Let's run it one more time, just so that I can show you really quickly that, yes, now we have, it looks pretty. It's not all like bunched up. See how it's just 2.38. Here we go. Okay. Alright, don't forget to submit and continue. Okay. The next one coming up will be 1.4. That was the last of the 1.3s. Alright. See you next one.